Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. On behalf of the Kuliah and University, I would like to congratulate and thank all participants of the International Unity for Youth from Thailand, Japan, France, and other countries for participating in this event. I believe this event will enhance you in upskilling and working effectively in culturally diverse situations. Hopefully, this event could also open your mind to cross boundaries, multiple cultures. I also believe that people with high cultural intelligence are attuned to the values, beliefs, and styles of communication of people from different cultures. Therefore, from this event, I hope all participants will enjoy, have fun, make new friends, and exchange culture with participants from other countries. Organizing an event such as this requires the assistance of a large number of people. Without them, the International Unity for Youth would not have been possible. We are always willing to go above and beyond in making events such as this a memorable one. Therefore, I would like to thank KLM Student Society in collaboration with language clubs in IUM Pagoh and those contributed directly or indirectly to this event for your great efforts. Thank you and all the best.